Click cell B15. This is the cell where you want to enter the calculation that averages expenses per country for the first quarter. You want to use the Insert Function dialog box to enter this function. Click the Insert Function dialog button on the formula bar. An equal sign is inserted in the active cell and in the formula bar, and the Insert Function dialog box opens. In this dialog box, you specify the function you want to use by clicking it in the Select a Function list. The Select a Function list initially displays recently used functions. If you don't see the function you want, you can click the or select a category list arrow to choose the desired category. If you're not sure which category to choose, you can type the function name or description in the search for a function field. The average function is a statistical function. But you do not need to open the statistical category because this function already appears in the most recently used category. Click the average in the Select a Function list if necessary. Read the information that appears under the list and then click OK. The function argument dialog box opens, in which you define the range of cells you want to average. Click the Collapse button in the number 1 field of the function arguments dialog box. Select the range B4 to B11. Then click the Expand button in the Function Arguments dialog box. Clicking the Collapse button minimizes the dialog box so you can select cells in the worksheet. When you click the Expand button, the dialog box is restored. You can also begin dragging the worksheet to automatically minimize the dialog box. After you select the desired range, the dialog box is restored. Click OK. The function argument dialog box closes and the calculated value is displayed in cell B15. The average expenses per country for quarter 1 is 4,353.079. Now click cell C15. Click the AutoSum list arrow in the editing group of the Home tab. Then click the average. A screen tip beneath cell C15 displays the arguments needed to complete the function. The text number 1 is shown in boldface type, telling you that the next step is to supply the first cell in the group you want to average. You want to average a range of cells. Select the range C14 to C11 in the worksheet and then click Enter button. The formula in cell C15 is calculated and the result is 4,307.595. Drag the fill handle from cell C15 to E15. The formula in cell C15 is copied to the rest of the selected range. Now save your work.